Well friends, it's that time of the month again. Yep, you guessed it. It is time for RWPP Rose War Panty Power unboxing. This is a great box for that unwanted monthly visitor, or if you are no longer fortunately getting that unwanted visitor, this box can be customized to you, or if you happen to be making a little visitor, whatever you would call that. I don't know, that was so weird. I was trying to, like a bun in the oven, that's what I meant. If you're pregnant, they can customize this box for you. Hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, you know what, y'all, we just embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where today's video is super uber exciting. Not only will we be doing a little unboxing, but we have a little try-on haul today with one of the outfits that you see right here. I loved it so much I couldn't take it off, and here I am. I am about to be on a Zoom call meeting here in about 45 minutes, and you know what I'm gonna be wearing? This adorable uber cute outfit, and I'll tell you how you can get it here later in the video. But anyways guys, let's go ahead and jump on into the unboxing. Okay guys, so let's just jump right into the unboxing. Then I'm going to show you some of the outfits that we're trying on. If you guys hear a lot of loud noise, I don't know what happened, but the weather people was wrong again. We have like a huge burst of snow coming down right now, and so like they're driving past, scraping the streets and whatnot, and I'm shook. I'm shook to my core because I'm like, you guys didn't tell me about that. Just like 2 days ago, you didn't tell me about the flipping almost 10 inches of snow we were getting. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. It's actually really pretty. It's just a few months late. I was expecting that for Christmas Eve, you know. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. I have not peeked. I do not know what's in this. I just know that it comes every single month at the exact perfect time that your girl needs it. Like, to the point, Haley sent me a TikTok yesterday, and it was a really cute little TikTok, and then I started crying hysterically afterwards. I know, that's where I'm at in life. And then I proceeded to could not figure out if I wanted sweet or salty or what, but I just needed all the food in the world, and then things showed up and I was like, yeah, that makes sense. That makes so much sense. So anyways, like I told you guys, the RWPP box can be customized for you. So even if you are not on your period anymore, you are in menopause, or you are pregnant, this box can be customized to you to a T. To the point that when you take the customized quiz, it will ask you, no period products in this box, or would you like organic pads plus liners only, organic tampons, or a good mix of both? You can let them know as far as that goes. This is a questionnaire based subscription that is curated to you. So when we open it right up, we do see a cute little card on top letting us know that this is the Welcome to February, be our Valentine's box. All the information as far as what items will be in this box are checked for you. They do let you know how much the retail value of each item is. Now the nice thing about this box is you can customize your panties or your britches, whatever it may be that you will receive in this box. You will get 100% organic period products, or you can choose none. And if you do decide to choose none, it is curated specific to your needs, valued at least $9, and you do have assorted sizes as far as your tampons and pads go. Then you will receive at least 2 pairs of panties, and you do have the choice of size small up to a size 3XL. They will be valued from $8 to $25, and you will receive 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts listed below. And as we see here, and there's little snacks and goodies in here too. Like I said, she always knows. It's like she always knows. She's like, hey, your box is on its way, and I'm like, girl, thank you, perfect timing. So again, this is a gift to yourself, guys, or a gift to, to your daughter, to your sister, to, whatever. Men, are you listening? You ladies would enjoy this, I promise. I mean, I do. Like, when I see the mailman drop the box off, I'm like, yeah, everybody out of my way. So, once again, we got some cute, yummy goodness going on in here. Okay, so we do get a nice little array of snacks. You remember when I said I like sweet and salty and all of that and fruity. Like, it's all here, guys. It's literally all here. I do love the months when I get things from like a whole other country. That, for whatever reason, always gets me so excited to try out other like snacks that they enjoy over there. And then we have a raspberry fruit leather, 0 added sugar. It's like a kind of like a fruit roll-up, only the healthier version. These are actually really good, and you don't feel as guilty eating it. Then we have a little cappuccino candy, again from another country, and that gets me excited. And then we have some of the little gummy bears. So, oh my gosh, and then we have another little chocolate thingy, because who doesn't love chocolate at that time, you know? Okay, oh my god, we have another one. There are so many treats in here. Thank you. This makes me so happy. This is the Belgian Boys Life is Too Short, Eat a Cookie. Absolutely. I have to agree with you on that. Okay, then the first thing that is right on top is our business wipies. So with Fresh and Clean. And then we do have a nice little mix on this particular box. It looks like it is all tampons, regular and super, so that is great. Actually, I'm lying. There's actually 2 little panty liners tucked away in here. Like, how cute is that? Like, seriously? Love that. Okay, so, oh my god, we got more snacks. This makes me so happy. You have no idea. Okay, so the first product in here is by Dr. Botanicals. This is vegan friendly. It's the Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. It is limited edition. This is a full size product, y'all. So a little information as far as the retail value. This does have a retail value of $39.90. And when we open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. I want to say I actually have a soap that I'm using right now by Dr. Botanicals, and I absolutely love it. It smells delicious, but it doesn't irritate my skin whatsoever. I guess because it's like naturals. So let's go ahead and open this up. My skin is feeling rather dry. I don't really notice too much of a scent, but let's go ahead and rub it in. Yeah, there's not much of a scent there, but it's definitely nice and moisturizing. Like, my skin needs that right now. Oh my gosh, the snow will not stop. And I'm nervous because Haley is out right now and I just keep staring at my phone. So, sorry guys if I seem distracted. So, that is the first in here. And then, ooh my gosh, natural pickles potion, lash push plus, like, let me try it again. Ready? Lash plus brow growth serum. Like, oh my gosh, have you guys heard of this brand before? I have not, but that's okay. Let's open this up. Oh, this has me excited. Oh my god, this looks a little scary. It literally looks like pickle juice. Like pickle juice. I just spit. Sorry if you guys saw that. Okay, so this does have a retail value of $16. Does it smell like a pickle? No, it does not smell like a pickle. It actually smells like nice, like clean. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it because who doesn't want lovely, luscious lashes? You know what I mean? And you will not smell like a pickle. Maybe I misread it. No, it says pickles potion. Okay. Moving on. What is this I see? What are you? Adjustable mask, filter, pocket, nose wire. I had it backwards. How freaking cute is that? Oh my gosh, this is nice. So here's your filter portion. Oh my gosh, this is a really nice mask. Oh, I like that. And then it has like the pocket where you can put your the filter in there, and then take it out and wash this. Ooh, and it's adjustable around the ears. You guys, these have become my favorite types of masks that are adjustable around the ear because my ear gets like irritated. Oh my god, it's so cute. Now, if you guys go ahead and sign up, these are some of the products that you could see in your box. Oh my goodness, I really like this. Okay, I'm not done. Wait, there's more. Okay, so then of course we have our panties, and everybody gets these. again, get to choose your size. And oh my gosh, yay. You guys know I love cozy comforts. How cute is these? These are so precious. Like cozy comfort with like some style and flair there on the side. Oh, and they have little butterflies on them. These are cute. These are perfect for working out in my opinion. And again, you get to customize your size. And then we have, ooh, now these are the nice, like the seamless, I think is what it's called, the seamless type that you're not going to see. Love that good stretch, love the color. And that is everything as far as what is in the box. As far as the cost of the box, it is going to cost you $37.50, and that does include free shipping. And again, you get to customize, let them know what you're looking for. It is free priority shipping to all 50 states and US territories. And as far as the retail value of the box, you will at least receive $65 worth of goodies. So let's go ahead and talk about the boutique. Yes, not only can you shop and get the subscription sent to you every single month, but you can also shop the RWPP boutique. They are very, very generous with a coupon code for you guys, so you save money off your first box as well as your shopping. And as you're going to see in the try on portion of this video, I do talk about the sizing being very, very generous. If you guys don't know, as far as my sizing goes, I am a plus size curvy girl. I'm like voluminous? No, voluptuous. Whatever, I'm curvy. It is what it is. And I actually, if you follow me on my second channel, I have started doing some curvy girl plus size fashion hauls over there, so make sure to check out my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. But the first item I want to talk about with you guys is this adorable dress. You guys, this is actually in a size large, and I probably could have maybe sized down a little bit. It's the perfect little baby doll dress. I'm gonna go ahead and jump over to the try on portion of me putting this on and freaking geeking out over this dress. I am in love with this flippin' dress, guys. Like, oh, this is so freaking adorable. This is also in a size large. So let me tell you guys, look at this beautiful little accented, it's a button that has like the fabric over top. This is the epitome of like my, okay, well, as far as my style goes, it's all over the place. I go from animal print to like cute little boho chic. But what I started to tell you guys is this is a large. And one thing I have noticed with Rose War Panty Power RWPP Boutique, their sizing is very generous. Think of Express. When you go shopping at Express, a lot of the times I feel like their extra larges is actually kind of large on me, like too big on me, and I need to downsize to a large. As for reference, my chest is about a 36 and my hips are like a 47. So like I'm a thick curvilicious girl where I carry a lot of my weight on the bottom. Let me show you guys this whole setup. This is just, oh, I wish I could full length it better for you guys. So I paired it with these really cute like Old Navy tan booties, but as far as the length goes, on a good day I'm about 5'3", and you can see it hits at a really nice like level to where, you know, well, not that I'm gonna bend over like that, but you know what I mean. Like I'm not showing anything. You could always pair this with a really cute pair of leggings if you wanted. Anyways, but this is just, I absolutely love this dress. So you're gonna be able to find this in the RWPP boutique, and it's roomy, y'all. Like I feel like if I went down to a medium, it would still fit me in my bust area and in my arm area as well. So again, like I said, the RWPP boutique, the sizing is very, very generous. So even if you see like a large and you think maybe it's not gonna fit you guys, I guarantee you all the pieces that I have received from them, the large has actually been very, very roomy on me. And this dress, you guys, I am in love. Okay, I'm gonna finish the video, or actually do the video in this dress because I love it so much. Okay guys, so the next item I want to show you guys that is available right now in the boutique is this beautiful sweater. Of course you guys are going to get to see me try on. I actually like paired everything together, pants, top, whatnot, for you guys. In the try on portion, I actually have one of my Torrid Good Vibes Only t-shirts on. You could totally put like a cute little cami underneath it if you wanted more of a fitting type of look, but this is just so cute. Again, it is in a size large. It fits me perfect. For reference, when it comes to Torrid fashion, I typically wear like a 0, some 00s over at Torrid, and even sometimes a 1. So I do anything from a 00 to a 1 depending on the style and the fit. But this is just such an adorable accent piece. Let me just go ahead and jump right over to the try on with this cute sweater. So this is the beautiful sweater. This is a nice long length sweater. Show you guys, like, look how cute. Isn't that so cute? Now there's no pockets in it or anything, but this is actually a size large and it fits me great. As you guys know, I'm a thick curvy girl, and this actually fits perfectly. It's not like tight underneath the arm area. It's not too tight in my arms or anything. And I did go ahead and pair it with a pair of my Torrid Moto pants for reference. These are a size 1. Then the Good Vibes top is a size 0 actually. So I mean, there you go as far as my sizing goes. And I just love this. Like, how cute is this type of, like, what, leopard, pink leopard print sweater? I mean, this is just the epitome of me. I'm like, ooh, love that. Okay guys, so that is everything for the RWPP box and the boutique. Definitely make sure to check them out. Their customer service is absolutely amazing. She is one of the sweetest, kindest humans. I sound cheesy, but you guys, I'm telling you guys, the quality of her products, her panties, that sounds really strange. Okay, the panties, the breeches you're gonna get into the box, yeah, amazing. And I think this is a great box every single month just to gift to yourself or to a loved one or what have you. I love the snacks in here. I love the products in here. You guys know I geek out every time that I unbox this box for you guys. And I don't know, have you guys tried this out yet? Because you should. And if you don't want to try out the box, check out the boutique. I'm telling you, this is my 3rd piece that they've sent over to me, and it fit. And I told her, I said, honey, I'm a curvilicious girl, and I'm short on top of it. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to dress all this. And she has dressed it, and I love it. And definitely make sure to check it out. I'm in an odd, weird mood. This snow has got me. I'm just an anxious mess right now. I'm just waiting for Haley to get home so I know she is safe and well. And anywho's, I'm gonna hop off. I have a Zoom call here shortly. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Make sure to check my description out down below for the RWPP box or the boutique. Save some money on both if you want. Thank you again to RWPP Rose War Panty Power for sending this over. You guys know, you know I geek out every single month. So anyways guys, all makeup I will have listed down below for you guys. And check out my QR code over here. It's gonna prompt you to open your camera on your smartphone and go give me a follow over on Instagram. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye guys.